Is your car just missing something? That like cherry on top? Well, I got you boys. I ordered these LED turn signal lights off Amazon, and I'll show you right here. See these bad boys? There's kind of like white, ugly, and boring, you know?
Lame.
But these bad boys are here to save the day. I ordered these a couple days ago. They just got here. We got our plastic prying tool to get the old ones out. Not really sure what this is for. Assuming that's just part of the installing process. And plus about these ones are they are like tinted or smoked black. So they look a lot better than just the old white ones on your mirrors. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn the car just on, and then what I'm gonna do is tilt the mirror all the way backwards, just like that. And it looks like there's two like plastic pieces inside. There we go. And now we can pop out the turn signal light right here. I'm gonna take a flathead and go from the side right here. So there's a clip, just pops out just like that. Alright, and then it looks like we got a cable right here. So after you got the bulb out of the actual light, you're gonna wanna grab the bulb right here and gently wiggle it out. And it looks kind of confusing at first because you're like, well, where does this plug in? I don't really know where it goes, but you can kind of see that they're kind of the same shape. So now this plug will plug into here where the bulb was, and then we can put it in. This side in first. There you go. Already looks 100 times better. Nice and clean looking with the black mirror. Alright, now that I know it works, now we can take the actual mirror cap and put it back on. Put our mirror back up. Looks way better than the white, just makes the whole mirror look clean. So now that we got this side done, do the same thing on the other side. Now that we got both of the turn signal lights on, look amazing, we can turn the hazards on and check them out. Looks way better. I can switch lanes in style. Alright, now we're gonna go to a secret spot and you guys can check them out.